Ceramic cookware sets are one of the safest, most efficient non-stick alternatives to Teflon-coated cookware. Ceramic non-stick cookware sets are unique from Teflon in that they are equally stick-resistant, yet they do not contain any toxic. And unlike cast iron and stainless steel, ceramic cookware sets are naturally slick to reduce sticking and the need for butter or oil. There are many products available to choose ceramic cookware sets, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best ceramic cookware sets from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Duckstop 17PC Professional Stainless Steel Induction Cookware Set. The Duckstop Professional Stainless Steel 17-piece Induction Cookware Set is another all-in-one package that provides nearly every piece of cookware you'll ever need. This 17-piece ceramic cookware set comes with 1.6 and 2.5 quart ceramic pots, a 4.2 quart casserole pan, an 8.6 quart stock pot, a 9.5-inch boiler basket, and a 9.5 steamer basket. You also get 8 and 9.5 fry pans, a sauté pan, and a 3-piece set of cooking utensils. Each piece is covered with a fusion titanium reinforced ceramic coating. It's worth mentioning that the ceramic coating is free of PFAS, PFOA, PTFE, lead, or cadmium. Here's another fun fact: these ceramic pans release up to 60% less CO2 than other non-stick pans. I like that there's a nice bit of weight behind each piece too. Each piece in this ceramic pan set is made from 1810 stainless steel with an impact-bonded aluminum base for better heat distribution. Number 2. Gotham Steel ProHarden Anodized Pots. The Gotham Steel ProHarden Anodized 13-piece cookware set is an all-in-one package that lands at the top of the list for its quality construction and consumer-friendly price. This 13-piece ceramic cookware set comes with everything you'll ever need: an 8 skillet, a 10 fry pan, a 12.5 fry pan, a 1.5 quart saucepan with a lid, a 3 quart sauté pan with a lid, and a 6 quart stock pot with a lid. Every piece in this ceramic pots and pans set is made from a blend of anodized aluminum, Gotham steel titanium, and ceramic. This blend provides superior strength to standard stainless steel cookware sets. You can stop reaching for the butter and oil, because each piece is covered with a non-stick ceramic coating. So cooking is healthier, and food just slides off the non-stick surface. I also like that each piece in this ceramic coated cookware set comes with vented, shatter-resistant glass lids. This allows you to check out your cooking progress without lifting the lid. Each piece also features long and solid stainless steel handles with a stay-cool grip. Number 3. Greenpan Valencia Pro Ceramic Non-Stick. The Greenpan Valencia Pro Ceramic Non-Stick 11-piece cookware set is another one of my favorite ceramic non-stick cookware sets. This 11-piece cookware set comes with 8, 9.5, and 11 fry pans, 2 and 3 quart saucepans, a 3 quart skillet, and a 5 quart casserole pan. In addition, each piece in this cookware set comes with a tempered glass lid. Each piece is covered with a ceramic non-stick coating that's free of PFAS, PFOAs, lead, and cadmium. So this ceramic pot set will never release toxic fumes, even if accidentally overheated. This non-stick ceramic pan set is constructed from anodized aluminum for maximum strength and scratch resistance. Each piece in the ceramic non-stick cookware set has a magneto base for increased induction efficiency. If you're looking for tough ceramic non-stick cookware, you'll like this one. Unlike other ceramic pan sets, this one is metal utensil safe and scratch resistant. It's also dishwasher safe, broiler safe, up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. The durable glass lids are shatter resistant and oven safe at temperatures up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Greenpan began producing ceramic pots and pan sets in 1997. So while they're a relatively new company, they've received a slew of awards for their best ceramic cookware sets. It's easy to see why. Number 4. PreLife Soft Grip Diamond Healthy Ceramic Non-Stick. The PreLife Soft Grip 16-piece ceramic non-stick cookware set is a budget-friendly cookware set that includes just about every pot, pan, and cooking utensil you'll ever need. This 16-piece set comes with a 4 mini frying pan, 7 and 9.5 frying pans, 1 and 2 quart saucepans, a 5 quart stock pot, a 2.5 quart sauté pan, and a 7 stainless steel strainer. Also included are 2 spatulas, a ladle, and a sizable scallop spoon. The body is crafted from recycled aluminum, so in addition to heating quickly and evenly, this ceramic kitchenware set is also environmentally friendly. The forged bases are thick and durable, and prevent the pans from warping over time. I also like that the long handles have comfortable soft grips, which stay cool. A bonus is that this oven is oven safe at temperatures up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The rivetless interior also makes these best ceramic pots and pans easy to clean. But when things get extra messy, you can also throw them into the dishwasher. Number 5. Bulbhead Red Copper 10PC Ceramic Cookware Set. The Bulbhead 10-piece ceramic copper cookware set is one of the most affordable cookware sets on the list. Yet, they are surprisingly sleek, durable, and a good choice for moderately experienced cooks. There's a lot to like about this cookware collection. To start, it's affordable and made with tough-grade copper-infused ceramic, so it's non-stick and scratch-resistant. These ceramic-coated pots are also PFOA and PTFE-free. To protect the surface, avoid using metal utensils and hand wash with warm water and mild soap. This 10-piece ceramic-coated cookware set comes with an 8-inch and 10-inch fry pan and 3 1.5, 2.5, and 6-quart sauce pots. Each piece comes with a sturdy tempered glass lid. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.